My name's Milton Eisenberg, and I'm one of the senior attorneys at Dan Chapman Associates. A lot of times people ask me, what do I do if I'm involved in a car wreck? Well, there's several things you need to do. There's over 350,000 car wrecks a year in the state of Georgia. Last year in 2016, 130,000 people were injured in car wrecks across the state of Georgia. And a lot of these people didn't know what to do, and in fact, probably end up hurting their case when it came to getting fair compensation for their injuries and harms. So it's very important that you know what to do when you're involved in a car wreck to protect yourself. The first thing you want to do is to call the police. You want to call the police to be sure that somebody comes out and talks to the drivers and puts down in writing what happened. They investigate it. They show who's at fault, they get the proper driver information, the insurance information, and all that's documented in the police report. That is crucial. Another thing you want to do is take pictures. Take pictures of the damage to your car, the damage to the other vehicle, take pictures of the accident scene. A third thing you want to do is to get witness information. A lot of times witness information can be very important when it comes to later proving what happened if the other driver changes their story and things don't appear like they were on the police report and the insurance company is giving you a hard time about how the accident happened. So get witness information. Names, phone numbers are great. Another thing you want to do not talk to the other driver's insurance company unless you've spoken to a lawyer. Why do I say that? Well, I used to work for insurance companies. For 8 years, I worked with a big law firm and we represented lots of insurance companies. And insurance companies are not out to help you. There's a reason why they spend millions of dollars on TV to advertise that they're the good neighbor or the good hands people or good something. They're not. They're for-profit businesses, they're out to save money for themselves, and they're not going to treat you fairly. So you need somebody to protect you. And that's where we come in. At Dan Chapman Associates, we have former insurance company lawyers that are on your side. We take care of people because we know what the insurance companies are going to try to do to take advantage of them. So if you've been injured in a car wreck, do those things that I've told you to do. And the last thing is, call Dan Chapman Associates at 678-242-7626. That's also 678 Chapman.